Hey guys, how to fix cellular data not working on iPhone. Today in this video, I'm going to talk about some method. I hope by using this method, your problem will be solved. So let's see. Method 1, restart your iPhone. Method 2, you make sure that the mobile data on your phone is on. Method 3, turn on airplane mode on your phone. Then you again turn off airplane mode. To do this, you go to settings. Now here you see the airplane mode, you turn on this. Then again you turn off airplane mode. Method 4, you make sure that the date and time on your phone is correct. To correct the date and time, you go to settings. After that you click on general. Then here you click on date and time. From here you can correct the date and time on your phone. Method 5, you take out the SIM card from your phone. Then you again insert the SIM card on your phone. You can also insert the SIM card in another phone and check that the cellular data is working or not. Method 6, reset network settings. To do this, you go to settings. After that, you click on general. Then here you scroll down. From here, you click on reset. Now here you see the option reset network settings. You click on this. Now here you type your phone passcode. After typing passcode, this option will come. Now here you see the option reset network settings. You click on this to reset network settings. That's for today guys. I hope by using this method, your problem will be solved. Thank you.